Hello everyone. Today we are talking about Bernoulli equation and its proof. So let's start. What is Bernoulli equation? Bernoulli equation, it is the sum or total of these three energies. Which energies? Kinetic energies, potential energies, and third one is pressure energies. Kinetic energies, potential energies, and pressure energies remains constant along a streamline in a steady flow of an ideal flood, that is half half rho v square plus rho gy plus p, that is equal to constant. Okay, an ideal flood, one important thing is an ideal flood is inviscous and incompressible Okay, now we are going to discuss about other forms. What are the other forms of Bernoulli equation? Then first, in if the kinetic energy and potential energy, and third one is pressure energies, are expressed in terms of per unit mass or per unit weight. These are the other forms of Bernoulli equation. In per unit mass, what is the equation? Equation is the P upon rho plus V square upon 2 plus Gy equal to constant in terms of per unit mass. And in terms of per unit weight, what is the equation? The equation is the P upon rho G plus V square upon 2G plus Y equal to constant. Okay, now important thing to remember, that is the Bernoulli equation in the per unit weight form is expressed is the most commonly used expression. Each term in this equation has the dimension each term in the equation has dimensions of length Okay, now in this equation, the term v square upon 2g is called the velocity head. This is the velocity head, and the term p upon rho g is the, what is this? This is the pressure head, and last one y is the potential head. This is the potential head. Now we are going to discuss about its proof. Let's start Bernoulli equations proof. What is the proof? You know that It is a diagram which shows flow of an ideal gas, flow of an ideal flood through a tube of varying cross section and height. The flood at the left hand exerts force P1A1 at this end, and right hand P2A2. Then what is the work done? The work done which moves the flood through a distance delta x1, and therefore does work is W1 equal to F1 del x1. What is the force? P1A1 del x1. And at this end W2 equal to F2 del x2 equal to P2A2 del x2. Okay, this is the ground level and it is a height. So at the right end of the tube, the work done is negative. The work done on this flood element is negative because the force on it is in the opposite direction. The force is in this direction. Along x-axis. Then the force at right hand is opposite to direction. So this is negative. Then total work done is total work done. What is the total work done? W equal to W1 minus W2, means a plus, but it is negative because W is in the opposite direction. Then W equal to P1A1 del x1 minus P2A2 del x2. Okay, also you know that using equations of continuity, you know well, it is a topic of mathematics which is very interesting to study. So let's start. A1, what we have? A1 del x1 equal to A2 del x2 equal to del v. Okay, understanding? Then next, W equal to P1 minus P2 del v. Now we are going to discuss about change in kinetic energy. What is the change in kinetic energy? यानी kinetic energy between the right hand and left hand, between the right hand and left hand. Okay, what is the result? Del k equal to half del m v square v2 square minus half del m v1 square, and the potential and change in potential energy between the right hand and left hand, del u equal to del m gh2 minus del m gh2. Okay, understand? If you understand, then it is a meaningful. So we are going to next discuss about using conservation. By using conservation of energy, what we get? Del w equal to del k plus del u potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to work done. So work done is P1 minus P2 del v and half del m v2 square minus half del m v1 square plus potential energy, change in potential energy, del m gh2 minus del m gh1. So dividing equation by del v and substituting p equal to del m over del v, then what we get that p1 plus half rho v1 square plus rho gh1. Okay, equal to p2 plus half rho v2 square plus rho gh2. This is the first equation. Now we get first equation. We are ready to first equation. What is the p plus half rho v square plus rho gh equal to constant. This is the equation first is called the Bernoulli equation. This equation in fact the conservation of energy. In fact this is the conservation of an energy. Okay, thank you. Have a nice